Hello, what's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World. Today I will show you very important things for every Apple users. That is how to clean your iPhone speaker section and how to clean your iPhone microphone section and at the top speaker and microphone both. And I will also explain how to clean your Mac and how to clean your AirPods. And if you notice on my phone at the top this section I got little bit dust. So if you get any dust then you will get less sound like while talking, and if you get any dust this section left side section microphone section and this right side section speaker section, then while playing you will get less sound, and while talking he or she like whom you are talking to, he or she will get less sound, less volume. Now I will tell you these three section how to clean this, and there is so many option to cleaning this three section, but I will tell you very effective one. Now talk about AirPods. You can see my AirPods is so dirty. I will say how to clean this, and I will also explain about how to clean MacBook speaker section. And let's talk about materials what you have to take. This is the brush, harder brush, and this is cheap brush, very cheap price brush, and this is spray from Philips. Let's talk about this spray. This spray is very effective because if you do spray on your device like any electronic device, device will not get any liquid damage or any water damage. So this is very effective one. And this spray, if I spray on my speaker holes or microphone holes, then I will get no water damage or liquid damage. And here it's like screen cleaning kit. This screen cleaning kit for cleaning your display, MacBook display. And let's talk about this brush is, you have to take cheap price brush like cheaper brush, because if you buy expensive brush that will be soft, very soft, so we need harder one. And another thing, if you cannot find harder brush, then you can do another thing, you can buy soft brush, no worries, but you have to cut the edge. This edge you have to cut by scissor, and after cutting the edge by scissor your uh, brush edge will be harder, and we need harder edge because of like we have to clean the speaker section. And another thing I took, that is the cotton buds you need for cleaning your AirPods. I will show you how to. Now let's apply the spray, and I already explained about the spray. This is very effective one at the beginning, and this spray you can find in mobile accessory shop. Here you have to press, not fully press, you have to press little bit, and you have to brush it like this. It's like brand new, no dust, no scratch, nothing, fully fresh. And I will show you now how to clean AirPods. For cleaning AirPods you have to take earbuds, and you have to spray here. Now let's clean the Mac, and for cleaning the Mac you have to spray on brush. You cannot directly spray on Mac because this is not water resistant. Now I will use this. And you also have to clean this section, but don't spray here. That's it, and thank you for watching, guys. Finally, here is 3 Apple fresh products. One is AirPods, totally cleaned now, no dust, nothing. And here is here you can notice the speaker holes and microphone holes, and then this top speaker holes, top speaker and microphone both. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and I want to tell you one thing. That's how I take care of my Apple products. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video. Take care.